Hello. In this video you will see how the Smartling Eloqua connector allows content to be quickly and easily pushed to Smartling for translation and automatically retrieved once the translation process is complete. The connector supports the translation of email, landing pages, forms, lists and dynamic content. Here we have an email in Eloqua that is ready for translation. Within a Smartling project, you can filter to find a relevant item to be translated, and if needed, bulk selections can be made. Creating the job pulls through the content. There is no need to do any manual file preparation for the content being translated. Smartling analyses the job content to give you an instant cost estimate to allow you to make informed decisions. Only the new or changed content is placed into the job, which means there is no duplication of translation effort. You can select one or more workflows that each impact the estimate instantly on the screen. Once you are satisfied with the estimate, you can authorize the translation. When translations are completed, the user will be notified via email. If you want to be more involved in the process, you can open the translation tool and see what the translators see. A style guide is shown that helps the translators understand more about the project, content, tone of voice, and any linguistic conventions that should be followed. Visual context can be shown to allow the translator to see how the translations will be displayed. Any glossary terms are clearly shown, as well as translation memory matches. Quality assurance checks are shown in real time, allowing the translators to raise issues or address the problem before moving forward. All of these aspects come together to allow the translator to provide a high-quality translation on the first attempt. Once the translation process is completed, the translations will automatically be pushed back to Eloqua. Smartling can be configured to monitor the source content, and any updates will automatically be pulled through into a new job, removing the need to manually trigger a translation process. This shows how you can quickly and easily trigger the translation process, complete the translation process within Smartling, and have the translations automatically sent back to Eloqua. Thank you for your time.